in wafer cleaning workshop with automated degumming and cleaning equipment, supported by intelligent AGVS and other automation technologies, achieving full process automation of wafer degumming, singulating and cleaning. Ultrasonic zero-loss cleaning ensures high efficiency and water savings, with industry-leading cleanliness. Touch-controlled intelligence combined with cloud data interconnection. Modular changeover accelerates the process by 50%. High yield empowers intelligent photovoltaic manufacturing. Should you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us.